Yeah. Hey guys, in this video, I'll be showing you how to force feed your rabbit kits. So if this is your first time coming across this channel, do all to like the video, subscribe, and turn on the notification button to get more farming tips. So what are the reasons to why do you have to force feed your rabbit kits? Well, the first reason is that when the rabbit kits are orphaned, that is, their mother is dead, so you have to force feed them with probably another mother. Another reason is when the rabbit has a large litter. So when your rabbit has a large litter, some of them your rabbit might not be able to feed all of them at once, so you have to help her by force feeding them in order for the rabbit kits to survive. Then another reason is rejection. When a rabbit rejects her kits, you have no option than force feeding. So you have to force feed in order for the litter to be able to survive. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to force feed your rabbit kits. So this is the dough. And these are the kits. Well, I should have done this video earlier, probably the day they were born, but time didn't permit. You can actually do this anytime. So all you just need to do is carry the mother rat. Then stretch out like this, so the kids will be able to fit on our stomach. Sometimes you might actually need a person to help you if you can't hold the dough by yourself. So that is, guys. Do also like, comment, and subscribe for more farming tips.